Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about lead code 209, which is minimum size subarray sum. And the description is given an array of positive integers, nums, and a positive integer target. Return the minimal length of a subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to the target. If there is no such subarray, then return 0 instead. So let me show you in the blackboard. Let's say we're given an array here. From this array, we're going to find such subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to 7. And we'll have to find the minimum length of length subarray of this condition. So let's say we're given a subarray here, and we'll need some variables. One of them is sum to keep the track of the sum of our subarray. Let's say we have taken this first, which is obviously less than 7, so we'll increment it by 2. Then we take this subarray, then sum plus equal 3. Then we'll take this subarray, sum plus equal 2, which will be 6. Then we'll have to take this subarray, and we'll see that it is 8, and it is greater than or equal to 7. So when it will be greater than or equal to 7, what we will do is we'll subtract we'll start subtracting the left element from our sum, and we'll check again that if we subtract this 2, and we'll be left with this array, and we'll see that it's still less than 7. So again we will increment the size of our subarray, and we'll take this subarray, and this is actually greater than 7. So we'll subtract this one. Now we'll check the sum again. We'll check the sum of this subarray. Now it is actually equal to 7. So now we will update the size of our subarray to 3. Then we will again subtract it, as it is equal to 7. We'll subtract the left element. We'll check the sum of this subarray, which is less than 7. Now we'll take this subarray, it is greater than 7. So again we'll update the size of our updated subarray. Then finally we'll take this subarray, which is equal to 7, which satisfies our condition. So we will have to check the we'll have to update the size of our subarray again. So we are going to to implement this in code, we are going to follow a 2-pointer method or a sliding window method. Let me code it, and I'm using JavaScript here. Let me assign two pointers, L and R. All right, we need sum to keep the track of our subarray sum, and counts to keep the track of our size. While L is less than nums dot length, R is less than nums dot length if our sum is less than target. All right, one thing is we'll have to actually make it less equal. If we don't make it less equal, again it will miss the last element of our of our array. It will not count it as 1. So we'll have to give it less equal here. If sum is less than target, then we will just have to add the value here and increment the R. If this is not the case, not here, while our sum is greater than or equal to target, sum minus equal nums of L plus plus will increment the value of L. Okay, so instead of assigning count to 0, we'll have to assign the count to a very large number, because we'll update the value of count by minimum every time. So let me assign a very large number here. Let's say this just a very large number. So now what we will do is count is equal to math.min count and r minus l plus 1. Yeah, r minus l plus 1. So one more thing I forgot to mention is there might be a case like this, where sum of all the element of a subarray is still less than our target. So in that case, we will explicitly handle to handle that case, we'll let's say we have assigned a variable check for let I equal 0 I don't know. So plus plus check plus equal nums of I. So now if check is less than target, then we'll just simply return 0. Else we will return our count variable. I think I did everything correctly. Yeah, let me run the code here. Yeah, as you can see, it gets accepted by the example test cases. Now let me submit it. As you can see, it does get accepted. So yeah, this was it for the video. I hope you guys find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.